What's up guys, in this video I will show you a project that is pioneering the watch to earn revolution. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is XCAD Network. The link will be in the description of the video. So XCAD Network is watch to earn revolution, and as you can see here, it says that XCAD Network is pioneering the watch to earn revolution for 2.1 billion active YouTube users, so enabling fans to create token rewards for watching their favorite creator directly on YouTube. So guys, XCAD is an exciting component of the XCAD Network ecosystem, and then users can access educational content, interactive tutorials, quizzes, and challenges designed to enhance their knowledge, provide engaging environment where users can learn about architecture, construction, and related topics through gamification. So it also says here, XCAD helps YouTubers grow in a saturated space, allowing the world's best YouTubers to connect with fans like never before. And then here you could see guys, the YouTubers that they have here, creators issuing fan tokens. You see how many subs they already have in their channels. So this is their vision as well. The XCAD Network also has its cryptocurrency called XCAD tokens. So they are used for transactions, incentivizing participants, and accessing various services within the platform. And they have the Nerd Battle. It is the upcoming feature that they will also release. It allows users to show their expertise and compete with others in architectural and construction related challenges. So they also have their marketplace where you could buy, sell, trade the digital assets that are related to architecture and construction. The users could also earn XCAD tokens by competing in challenges, achieving milestones, and participating in the Nerd Battle. And then you could go ahead and check them out. Of course, as I always mention guys, make sure to join their social media platforms. Always do your own research, but this is something that you really need to go ahead and check out. This will definitely be a good and potential project that you could add in your portfolio. And if you're new to the channel guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.